Good morning, student of class 7. I am going to start the next chapter of next chapter of class 7. This is the first part of class 7, chapter number 5, and our chapter heading is a small basic looping and graphics. So students, you learned about a small basic in previous classes. This is a programming language based software, a small basic. It is a special software for write a special coding and then execute for output for result. So first of all, we discussion about what is a small basic. A small basic is a free programming language. It is an improved and simplified version of basic language. It is a version of basic language. Basic stands for beginners all purpose symbolic instructions. It is developed by Microsoft in 2008 and it is developed by programmer who is work in Microsoft company, and programmer name is Vijay Raji, who is developed by a small basic language. It is a command based language, and every commands or instruction in this software a small basic is called a statements. We write in a small basic coding is called a statements. The statements should be written according to the specific set of rules. In this software, the statements should be written according to specific rules of the language, which are called syntax. Just like this is a simple statement. I write in a small basic. After word a small basic, we need to .NET framework software uploaded in our system. Then after uploaded .NET framework, then uploaded a small basic software for write a program. So this is a small statement written inside the small basic software. Just like this is a loop for. This is a for means this is a loop. There are two types of loop, for loop and while loop. So this is a for live based coding. For this is a loop, and capital I stand for initial value, and then equal to, and then 1 to thousands. This is a looping number we want to display after running, and then this is a text window dot t in capital letter. This is a case sensitive statement. Case sensitive statements means T in write in capital letter, and W also write in capital letter, and dot write line, and then print the initial value for I, and then in the for loop, so write in for, and after execute the results, output of this program is print after running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number, and lasting number is 1000 because I want to print the 1 to 1000 in this program. This is a short coding of this program. It is also called statements of the program. And after know the small basics language, our next topic of this chapter is looping statement. How to use looping statement in our program. Loop means in programming of a small basic. Loop means you may need to repeat one or more statement in a one time. It is called loops. A loop is used for repeating a block of a statement multiple times. A statement that enable you to create loops are known as looping statement. Means if you want to print the result of repetition of times, you want to print the result multiple times at a one way, so it is called a statement. This is a loop. There are two types of loop: for loop and while loop. For loops means repetition of time fixed in programming, and while loop repetition of times not defined in while loop. So this is a coding for use of for loop. This is a first line of for loop coding. We need to set the for loop. So for loop right here, and then initial value a, and then times of repetition we want to set, that like 1 to 10, and then text window right line, and then in bracket, in a small bracket, we want to write the initial value type a. So write a here, and after use this program we need to in for loop. So in for L. After running this program, we have output of this program is repetition of times is 1 to 10. So number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After repetition of time 1 to 10 present, in output a message. Press any key to continue display in our software, output software. And this is a first types of for loop and code of for loop. In this video, and our next video we will discuss our next loop, while loop, in our next video. Thank you.